If you love drawing flowers as much as I do, this is the video for you. We're going to work through 5 simple floral doodles that you need to know and that I know you can master. So let's get started. Friends, welcome back to my page. My name is Madhu, and today we're going to draw 5 different florals. I know you can get a hang of these, they are fairly easy, and we've already gotten started with our first one, the rose. Begin by drawing a square with rounded corners. Connect lines from opposite sides until we reach the center. For the center of the rose, simply draw a spiral. For the remaining petals, you can draw a line and just simply connect them. And that's our rose. Now I'm gonna just add a stem. We can add some simple leaves on either side. You can draw a center line for the leaves with connecting veins. The next flower comes right above the rose with a broken stem, and the petals are inverted triangles. You can have three or less triangle shapes for the petals. You can have a square shape main flower and then more of these side flowers that are inverted triangles. Add some dots or oval shapes for the center of the flowers. We are going to add some teardrops to represent buds. Darken the ends of the flower to give it more depth. Next, the rose, we're going to do daisies. For the center, I'm using a semicircle with some stipple dots and lines. The petals are fairly easy, just long U shapes. You can have some of them coming below, all clumped together. Let's do a similar one, but a full size. So now we're going to add the petals all around, not just on the bottom side. We're going to draw a loose stem with rounded leaves on either side. You can draw a line connecting the center of the leaf. Moving on to lavenders. Draw out a broken stem and heart-shaped petals. So I do a heart shape and 2 loops on either side. Generally starting big at the bottom and then moving smaller or shorter at the top. We're going to do 2 of these. It's a really simple way to draw lavenders. Bring through a stem that connects the lavenders and some long pointed leaves. We're going to add in some forget-me-nots on the right side of the rose. They're very simple to draw, 2 concentric circles and rounded petals. So just 5 round petals. For drawing flowers that are sideways, just connect 3 lumps together with a center stem. I'm concentrating all the flowers along a central connected stem. Adding some teardrop shapes for buds. After connecting the center stem, we can add in some leaves. You can add in a center line dividing the leaf into 2. Now adding in a center element, just a simple element, just a straight line with stems on either side with buds at the edge. I'm going to continue to draw in some dots around the painting. This is our completed bouquet of flowers that I know you can master. You can always pause or slow down the video if you need to, and definitely hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week as we paint this drawing sheet using watercolors.